Hello everyone, my name's Ortheore and I'm here to talk you through downloading and installing the Pokemon Online app for Android and then building teams, going online, all that kind of thing. So, why don't we get started? The first thing you're going to want to do is head into your settings. You'll want to make sure your phone allows you to download and install apps from unknown sources. Once that's enabled, head over to PokemonOnline.eu, click on the big red download button. That'll take you to a page where there's a bunch of links. You're going to want the one for Android, so just go ahead, click on that, and you may get a few pop-up windows saying, do you want to download this file? Of course you do. We're here to play Pokemon, right? Now, what you've just downloaded is an APK file that will install Pokemon Online for you. So once you've downloaded it, just go ahead, run the APK file, and that'll install Pokemon Online, and we can jump right in. When you open it up, it'll look something like this. Now, I'm going to go into settings, and you can see you've got settings for notifications, sound, various random things that I'll leave you to look into. They're not that important. Instead, I'm going to look at the team builder. When you open up the team builder, you'll see at the top we've got trainer name, so you're definitely going to want to put something for that because it's pretty important. Below that, you've got your avatar, which, you might want to set. At the bottom, we've got your player info, winning and losing message. They're what people see when they go to challenge you and what appears in the chat at the end of each battle. Of course, where everything happens, edit team. So you're going to want to tap on that. That'll bring up your 6 slots for your Pokemon team, and you can just tap on one of them, and that's how you go to select your Pokemon. You can see they're listed in Pokédex order, and you can just scroll through, or alternatively search by name and select your Pokemon that way. Once you've selected it, you'll be taken to a screen where you can set its item, its nature, its EVs, all that. One thing to note about the items is that they're actually not entirely alphabetical. They are, but the berries are sorted differently from all the other items. So that's something to take note of. You've got your nature, ability, shiny, level, all that. Those bars you can see in the middle of the screen, they're your EV spread, so you're going to want to tweak those according to, whatever you want. And down the bottom, you can see there's actually an option to even enable Hackmons, which would allow you to max out all your EVs, select any move, the standard Hackmon rules. We're not going to go into that just now. It's just something to take note of. Once you're done setting your stats, you swipe left. That'll bring up a list of moves. Now, the moves are listed alphabetically. You can scroll through them, or you can search for them by name. Once you're done customizing your Pokemon, you can head back, fill out the remaining slots. In the top right corner, you can see there's options to save and load the team. That's pretty obvious, really. You save the team or load one from one you've already got saved. I'm going to load one that I saved earlier. Now that we've loaded that, we can jump right in and head online. To head online, simply head back to the first screen we saw, tap on the server you want. I'm going to go with Pokemon Online and hit connect, and once you're online you will see that we still have all the chat-based commands available to us. If you swipe right, it brings up a list of players, and if you hold down on a player's name, you'll get options to challenge, view their info, all that kind of thing. If you swipe to the left, you'll get a list of channels pop up, and you can opt to join one of them if you so choose. In the top right corner, we've got options for find battle, disconnect, idle, change tiers, all that kind of thing. If you select change tiers, then you'll get a pop-up window where you can browse through our list of tiers and select the one you want. Disconnect is obviously if you want to leave the server. It's something I'll come back to later. Find battle, that's pretty important. You're going to want to be able to just find a battle on the ladder. You can also choose to find a battle using the icon in the lower left hand corner. So you just tap on that, you'll get the find battle pop-up window, and once you're all good to go, you can jump right in, find a battle, and when the battle starts, it'll look something like this. As you can see, we've got a pop-up window allowing us to rearrange our team. Obviously, this won't be here if you're playing without team preview. Now, as you can see, we've got both Pokemon displayed, and we've also got revealed Pokemon for each team. above and below the battle window, and below that we've got the log of the battle, which is where all of the information relating to the battle is displayed. In the upper right hand corner you can see a menu where we've got options to forfeit, which we don't want to do, suggest draw, and also to mega evolve, and that's how you mega evolve on the Android app, which is pretty important to know. If you swipe to the left, you'll bring up a list of all your available Pokemon, and to switch your current Pokemon out into another one, all you have to do is tap on the Pokemon you want to send out. If we return to the battle window now, if you hold down on either your Pokemon or the opposing Pokemon, you'll bring up a little pop-up window that displays that Pokemon's typing, its stats, and also any hazards that might be up on their side of the field, which is handy information to have at just a touch. That just about wraps it up. Lastly, to exit the app, it's not simply a matter of, pressing the home button. You actually have to disconnect from the server, which again, if you return to the main chat, is in the upper right hand corner. Anyway, that's that. I hope you all enjoyed watching. I hope I answered any questions you have, and hope to see you all online. Catch you next time.